Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Savvy. Today we are going to learn about Alert Manager. Alert Manager is nothing but a server which will help us to get the notification about the Prometheus server or a node exporter if something goes wrong with them. In short, Alert Manager handles alerts sent by client application such as the Prometheus server or node exporter. So these are the few steps which we are going to perform to configure Alert Manager. Don't worry, I will write these steps into the description block of the video. You can get all the readily available command from there and you can copy and paste it from the description block. And before configuring Alert Manager, we need Prometheus server and node exporter up and running. So this is our EC2 dashboard. In that, these are the two servers which we have created in our last video. So I will start them. So meanwhile, when these servers are getting ready, let's create one more server for configuring Alert Manager. Launch instance, Amazon Linux 2 AMI, T2 Micro, which is free tier eligible. I am keeping all these details as a default. Add storage, default. Add tag, let me name it as a Alert Manager. Security group, I will take my existing security group, that is monitoring SG. Review and launch. Launch my existing key pair. I acknowledged, launch the instance. Okay, so view instance. So as you can see, my instance is getting ready. So let's just log in into these server one by one. First go with the Prometheus server, copy public IP address and copy, specify username EC2 user, add SSH key, monitoring key. Let's just name it from here only server. Okay, as you can see, we are able to log in into our server. Let's just go to node exporter, copy the public IP address, SSH EC2 user, add node exporter. Okay, as you can see, we have successfully logged in into our node exporter. Let us log in into Alert Manager also. Copy this public IP address, copy, add SSH user EC2 -user, SSH key, bookmark as Alert Manager. Okay, so all the three servers are up and running and we have logged in into these servers successfully. Let's go to the steps. So our first step is we need latest Alert Manager package. For that we need to go and download it from prometheus.io. Just go to download tab, click on Alert Manager and copy the link address. Just type wget and paste that link and hit enter. So ls, as you can see, our tar package has been downloaded. Let's just untar it. Untar -xvf Alert Manager, hit enter. So it is untar it also. Now next step is we need to move this binary file from current folder to bin folder so that Alert Manager can take this binary folder from the default binary folder. For that, first do root user, then move Alert Manager /Alert Manager. Okay, let me type Alert Manager here and usr local bin, hit enter. Okay, now we have moved local folder to bin folder. Now create a service similarly which we have created in Prometheus and Node Exporter. Same, we need to create alert manager service also. For that, just copy the vi command with the path and paste it. And we need to write this default service code into this file. I paste escape :wq, enter. So we have created service file. So till now, whatever we have done, we have configured into alert manager server. We downloaded latest package, then untar it, then copied that, move that binary file from the package folder to the default path. Then we created our service file. Now next step is to create alert manager, or we can say we need to configure alert manager with the Prometheus server. So for that we need to perform this step into the Prometheus server. So let's just go to the Prometheus server and edit some code into Prometheus.yml file. So go to server, type sudo vi etc prometheus.yml, hit enter. So before configuring alert manager, let's perform some changes here, because we have again started our Prometheus servers and his IP address is updated. So just take updated public IP address of the Prometheus server and delete and paste, and the same public IP address of the Node Exporter. And now do the edit of alert manager code. So this is our alert manager configuration code. Don't worry about alert rule file, we will understand in the next step. Just copy these two steps from here and paste it into Prometheus.yml file. Hit enter, just type enter, paste. Okay, so alert manager, under that type IP address of the alert manager server. What is that? Public IP address, paste. And alert rule file is also the file which we will create into the Prometheus server only, which will define the rules when to alert and send the notification. So this is the rule and this is the alert manager file. As you can see, it is created into the same path where Prometheus YML file has been created. So we just copy it and paste it, and as you can see, I have created earlier also, so it is present, the same code is present here. You just need to copy it and paste it. That's it. Now these two steps we have performed into Prometheus server. Now again move to the alert manager server and create alert manager YML file. But before that, I want to show you something. See, when we download the package, alert manager package, we get default alertmanager.yml file. We can move this file also into our correct path. That path is like this etc alert manager, where our YAML file is stored, or we can create our own YAML file also. Personally, I recommend to create a separate YAML file for you, so that it will not create any error while editing our existing YAML file. So let's just make one directory, and once directory is made, just create YAML file into the same directory, enter, and put this piece of code. This piece of code is for sending email notification into your Gmail account or Yahoo account, whatever account you are using. You just need to configure SMTP into that. So I'm just copying it and paste it. One thing I just want to highlight here, if you are using Gmail account, for auth password you need to generate a token from your Gmail account instead of typing your Gmail account password, because it will not take. You need to generate access token for that, and just copy that token into this file. Escape :wq, enter. So till now we have done all the configuration which is required for Alert Manager. Let's just do some daemon reload and start the service. Daemon reload, start Alert Manager, and let's check the status. Paste. It is running. Perform the same thing into Prometheus server also, because we have done some changes into Prometheus.yml file. For that we need to restart it. Status, it is also up and running. So both Prometheus server and Alert Manager is running. Let's just see the magic. So first go to Prometheus server, copy and type 9090, hit enter. Okay, so this is our Prometheus server. Let's go to check in the target. As you can see, Prometheus server is successfully running, but node exporter is down, because node exporter, we just started this server and we have not started the node exporter service. And if we want, whenever the service got start automatically, we need to get update into our daemon, or we can say that just check the status. So see, this is inactive. Just start it, and you can see in the Prometheus server also. Okay, now let's check Alert Manager. Copy Alert Manager, IP address, copy, and port number is 1993 for Alert Manager, 1990 is for Prometheus server, 9100 is for node exporter. Okay, here we go. You can see both the servers are visible here. Why it is showing in the alert for 2? Because initially when we started the server, our servers were inactive. As you can see, it will take 1 minute time and it will make it as a active. Or you can see this, whatever alert is being fired from the Prometheus server, it will show into the Alert Manager console. It will take 1 minute time. Because both the servers are running, so the status will get updated automatically in 1 minute. Okay, so as you can see in alert tab, it is showing 0 active, means like 0 instance is down. Both the instances are up and running, as we can see into the target tab also. So let's create some alert, or let's make some servers down so that we can get the alerts. And you can see in Alert Manager also, it will refresh it. Once the 1 minute or 2 minutes will pass, it will automatically refresh this instance downs alert. So let's go to my Gmail account. Okay, so let's start. Let's down this node. Stop, enter. So our node exporter is down. We can go to target also, and you can check this node is down. Now let's go to alerts and see in this screen. Just refresh it 1 or 2 times. It will automatically check the status of node. See this 3517420799100 is in pending state, means instance is down. So within 1 minute it will go and give in a firing state. It means it is firing email to our email account. See, it is coming in the firing state. Let's go to Alert Manager and refresh it. You can see the same is coming under Alert Manager status, and just go to the Gmail account and refresh it. Okay, email is not coming. Maybe we have done something wrong. Into YAML file, just open it. Okay, the problem with the Gmail ID. :WQ. Let's restart the alert manager and see status. Okay, let me refresh it whether the email is coming or not. Okay, here we have received the email. You can see instance, alert manager instance is down. So that's it about the Prometheus Alert Manager. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.